Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. GSLV F-10 mission could not be accomplished but due to performance anomaly, ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization's second mission of the year took place. An Earth observation satellite via GSLV rocket faced a setback at the mission could not be accomplished fully due to performance anomaly in the cryogenic stage of the rocket, the space agency said on Thursday. The 51.70-meter tall rocket GSLV F-10 EOS-03 successfully lifted off from the second launch pad at the spaceport as planned at 05.43 hours soon after the 26-hour countdown concluded. Ahead of the liftoff, the Launch Authorization Board cleared the desk for a normal lift-off as planned. The performance of the rocket in the first and second stage of the rocket was normally scientists at the Mission Control Center said. However, minutes later, the scientists were seen in the discussion and it was announced in the Mission Control Center by the Range Operations Director. Mission could not be accomplished fully due to performance anomaly. Performance anomaly observed in the cryogenic stage. The mission could not be accomplished fully, the Range Operation Director announced in the Mission Control Center. It is the second flight for the geosynchronous satellites, the launch vehicle MK2, which had last blasted off with the ambitious Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft to the moon. The new satellite will be capable of obtaining vital information of application in different sectors including agriculture, forestry, water bodies as well as for disaster warning, cyclone monitoring, cloudburst or thunderstorm monitoring. Himachal Pradesh landslide. Toll rises to 13 as rescue ops resume. Passenger of bus car still missing. The rescue and relief work at the Kinnor landslide of spot resumed at 6 a.m. on Thursday and so far 30 bodies have been recovered from the debris while the state transport bus and a Bolero car are yet to be traced along with their passengers. The ITBP said in an update on Thursday morning that the rescue work has resumed at the landslide in Himachal Pradesh, Kinnauр. The number of dead bodies recovered has risen to 13 after the retrieval of 2 more bodies this morning. However, the Himachal Road Transport Corporation bus, a Bolero car and their passenger were not found under the debris. Later, ITBP Deputy Commandant Dharmendra Thakur said we have located the remnants of the bus and the body has been recovered. It was said that about 40-50 people were feared trapped in the rubble as the bus truck and other vehicle were hit by the landslide. Locals said some vehicle had skipped off the road and fell into the river below. 8 of the dead were found trapped in a Tata Sumo taxi during the search and rescue operation on Wednesday itself. The truck had rolled down towards the riverside due to shooting stones and the driver's body was recovered on Wednesday. A fully damaged Alto car was recovered on Wednesday but no one was found inside the car. Shersha movie review Ye Dil Mange More from Siddharth Malhotra. Right before LT Vikram Batra boards the bus from Chandigarh, he makes a promise to Dimple. He will return home and spend the next 40 years with Mr. Batra. It is precisely at this moment that you hear your heart break into a million pieces, perhaps louder than the shelling at lock. You know Vikram won't written to keep his promise. The girl in front of you eyes a little glassy, soaking in the words of that promise made by her lover doesn't know that. The sacrifice that goes behind an army officer's sacrifice comes alive in the moment between Dimple and Vikram somewhere on that bus stand before he goes off to work. Batra goes by choice. Vikram is on leave when news of India and Pakistan going into war breaks. The famous speech of the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee is played out on TV and Batra gets restless. He speaks a line straight from the legend of Captain Vikram Batra. ये तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊंगा या तो तिरंगा मैं लिपट के आऊंगा लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर. Now all of this might come across as too filmy for anyone who has not read about Vikram Batra. That's challenge that debutant big director Vishnu Vardhan dives headlong in and comes out with his own version of a goal. Vardhan keeps the story uncannily close to Captain Batra's real story. For one, it brings Dimple out of the shadows even though keeping from using her photograph at the end of the film. Everyone else who gets a character in the movie have their real versus real photos on the screen before the end credits, but for Dimple, full marks to Teen Shersha for not prying into the life of someone who chose to stay away from the flashlights. That's the story away from the dress. All the pop culture references, watch out for Madhuri Dixit reference, reach their culmination when Vikram says, "Ye dil mange more" on the battlefield, and it is that relate to the rest of the country via that iconic interview. And as Siddharth Malhotra does a Vikram Batra in the front of the camera, his friend watches it at a court canteen when an ad of Pepsi is stuck to the wall. You know where that slogan belongs. From the screen to the audience now once again. As Captain Vikram Batra mortal remains are brought into the Palampur and the Gansali recorded to him. We see Dimple collapsing in front of the pyre. She is in red dupatta somewhere in your head. Jocelyn Royal's voice plays on Chup Mahi Chup Hai Ranjna. Bole kaise ve naje, it is a time to wipe the tears.
জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.